Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what GBPJPY will be playing out for tomorrow, which is for the 1st of February. First, we can see that this GBPJPY, we're kind of having this range. One of the reasons we are having this kind of movement, like call it a range market move, is that we are expecting a movement on GBPJPY, and for that movement is that a news needs to be released, and that news will be coming out on Thursday. I think that news will be about increase in bank rates, or some kind of like interest rates will be increased. We all know that is exactly what the news we are waiting out for. So at least buyers are actually patiently waiting, because GBPJPY will definitely spike up. It is just the news that needs to be released, that before a lot of people will be confident enough to actually go ahead and take this trade. But to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is for the first, we have no other option than to trade what we see and not what we think. Now, to be able to trade what we see and not what we think, we need to go to the 4 hour time frame and see what this price is actually playing out. We can see that this price is literally ranging within this level. So all what we have to do is go ahead and range with it. But before we get started, I want you guys to know that I also now have a Patreon channel. The reason why I created it is that to actually put out high probability trade, a trade that I believe we have about 70 to 90% of us winning that trade, which I've already put there. The only people that will be able to get access to it is those of that have subscribed. With just $20 you can actually subscribe, and if at the end of the month you're not comfortable with the value, or you've actually not gotten what you are looking for, it is very simple. All you have to do is actually just cancel your subscription and move on, right? So if you're interested, check the link below. Actually check out some my analysis that I've posted. They're actually quite good, so watch out for it. Now back to this GBPJPY. So what we will be expecting right now is kind of see this movement, which will be giving us a bullish move back to this our resistance level, and basically price is drop till maybe that news is being released on Thursday. Maybe then price can give us that bullish move that will take out this resistance level. But as at now, let's continue to trade what price is actually showing us. So that means we have no other option than to range with GBPJPY. So when you take a look at this your JPY index, you see that JPY index so is also ranging. So basically, if you are expecting more drop on this JPY to tap the support level, then definitely any other pairs we are trading to JPY should give us a bullish move. So since JPY, we are expecting a drop on JPY, then we expect this JBP to actually go bullish against JPY. So maybe once this JPY eventually starts going bullish, then we can now start expecting a drop on this JBP to JPY. So like I said, we need to actually continue the ranging market move on GBP JPY. So now I think it is a good opportunity to take the buy to this resistance and grab about 120 plus pips, which is actually good. So